So, it has been a while since I posted a video, and we have some new people in the farm. I don't think I have showed you this new animal that we have. I literally found him at the creek not too long ago. Look at him. He's a border collie, but he's about to go find a new home. So, because also, come with me, we have more. If y'all have ever heard a mean dog sound in the background, y'all probably don't know what her name is. Some of you do, because some people I know. Chessie is my sister's dog. Gunner is a working cow dog of Mom's. Chessie, we have Australian healers. We got Gunner, and boom, we have puppies. 4 of them. That one is mine, Pinky. So we have more dogs than ever, and it is show season. So if y'all want show, I guess if y'all want show videos, we can do that. But we got something in the mail. It's actually very heavy. Liquid. If you can't read, fragile. 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 So we're about to unbox that, I guess. Unboxing. Not really. Those are not the best videos in the world, but the gator is kind of out of commission as of now. But y'all, the last time y'all seen Manny, he was pretty big. But I don't know if he was this big. Also, I bought a new show heifer. Her name is Lana. There's Queen. Y'all remember Queen? That is Manny. Now he looks little here, but once you come up to him, dude, he's pretty big. Here, hang on. Look, I'll fix the camera. That way y'all can just see how big he is. Look at this. Look at this. Hang on. Bear with me here. Look at him. Y'all look at this. And then look at this. Y'all are gonna love this. Get some extra views for this. Hopefully. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Me and my monkey, also known as Manny. But this is Lana. That's Lana. Also, if the camera's moving around, it ain't my fault. It's GoPro's. So, that's Lana. She's a little, not, man, chill out, bro. Okay, they still have feed. I'm gonna let them eat. But, and I gotta water them. But the last time I put a watering video, nobody liked it. So, y'all better like this video. Because, feed room is feed rooming. It's dirty. We have weaned calves. This is just kind of an update video. Because we have weaned some black calves. I had a different calf in here, but he was a Hereford calf that I was weaning. That wasn't really growing the best. His mom's a heifer. But since then, yeah, he kind of shimmied his way around through here. Came out this door and went that way. But since then, we have weaned those 2 black heifers. About to turn them out. Then there is a black bull that we are gonna wean soon. And that's it. I'm gonna get, oh yeah. Also, if y'all wanna see deer videos, I can definitely do that. But I'm gonna get the Golden Flow over here. Oh wait, spoiler. I'm gonna get the box over here and show y'all what's in it. So stay tuned. Okay. The box. Can y'all see that? Probably not. My fat butt's in the way. Now this ain't no Yellowstone type feed room. This is a farm feed room. But let's see what's in this box. Poogie likes this stuff, or Manny. Why they take that stuff up so good, I do not know. Alright, are y'all ready? Hang on. Alright. Can y'all read that from where you're sitting? Oh, it's a freshie too. Okay. Let me bring y'all down here. Okay, can y'all read that? Golden Flow, Whitfields or Whitefields, however you want to say it. There's what it would read. Somebody screenshot that if you want. I'll give you time there if you wanna get it yourself. So that is what looks like. That's why here I have an older one. It's still got a little in it. I'm gonna crack it open and let y'all see kind of what it looks like, I guess. Y'all can see it right here. Let me point you down. That'll work. Alright, let's see. It's a pain in the butt to get into though. Golly. You know what would be easier than doing that? I could just open this, couldn't I? Yeah. Somebody drop a comment, you opened it wrong. Alright. Oh, this is satisfying. Ready? Ready for this? If I can get it. Sometimes you have to cut them out. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut it out. Dang it! Oh, yeah, the seal popping. Alright. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. Well, dang it. Here, y'all can see down in there. There's a little on my finger. That's what it looks like. It's kind of like a soybean type. I don't know, but it smells good. If y'all could smell it, it's almost like if they took Gatorade and like made Gatorade extract or I can't say it good. And just made it for cows. That's about what it smells like. But oh gosh, I about messed up right there. Let's pour a little and feed it to Manny, and we'll see what he does. Let me get y'all set up, and then I'll catch y'all back. I hope y'all can see this. If it goes failure, Dad, it wasn't my fault. It was that chicken over there. Golly, that's heavy. Okay. You know what I could do? I could just pour it the smart way. Look, I don't have to pick it up. Look, work smarter, not harder, y'all. Oh, crap. Maybe this is harder, I don't know. But pouring a new thing of, hang on. Okay. Pouring Golden Flow. Y'all probably, oh yeah, y'all can see it. I better not see no comments about God either. Okay, let's get. Okay, let's go pour some to Manny. I would pause the camera, but it's literally right here, so. All right, Boogie, Cookster. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. Get your butt out of here. Look, there's feather in their feed. Looky there. Y'all might be able to see that. Looky there. Watch her. She like it. And don't worry, there's not that much feed in there, but they will lick the bottom of the trough just to get that stuff off of it. So that's got it for the golden flow. I'm gonna pour a little more into this. That's got it for now, but we'll have something else here in a minute, I think. If not, I don't know. Catch y'all in a minute. Okay, we're feeding the deers. And just to mind you, it is not deer season yet. Yeah, I got my knife on me. And we're trying to trap a coon because if you come right here, we have some rickies. Now, thanks to the local TWRA dude, he hooked me up with one. I have one, but I don't know. I gave it to my grandparents, and they needed it. So there's that. That's set. And here, you're on camera. Camera, you're on camera. Other camera, you're on camera. Just so you know why there's two cameras, but let's just go over here. Camera, meet camera. Other camera, meet camera. And cameras, meet camera. Okay, this one does not work as of now. They should be sending me a new one. Okay, but back to the deer stuff. Here we have just one from Tractor Supply. Y'all tell me if that's a good brand. I like it. It's worked good for me. I bought like 10 of them because they were half off. So we're gonna, y'all can see. So we're gonna, I fed out, what, 3. I gave them, what I like is those Buck Bourbon ones. I like them a lot. Right there, they've been scraping. I'll show y'all that here in a second. But here, I'm just gonna kind of try not to cut myself. Y'all can skip to something else if y'all want. But this, y'all, if y'all can smell this, it smells like, you know what, it's like coffee. It's almost like a coffee shop. Here's an old one, part of an old one. And here's some peach pills that they really like. If y'all ever start deer hunting. But here, look, see where they've been scraping right there? They've been scraping right there. There's a salt hole they like to, kind of mushy right now. They'll eat that. Yeah. Look at where they've been eating out of it. See, look at all them deer tracks. But we'll check that, and hopefully we can check those trail cameras. But because of poachers, sadly y'all will not be seeing the pictures that I get from that, because it's just, we got a lot of poachers around here. So that's got that done. I like to leave as less synced as possible. But, and then the dog food thing, just so y'all know I'm not littering. It's in the gator. So that'll be a wrap. Well, no, wait, no. No. We got to check the raccoon. Well, no. That'll be on a different video. But for this one, that should be a wrap. And thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I guess I'll catch y'all on the next one.